A bank trust, Fideicomiso, enables foreign buyers to purchase property in Mexico's restricted zone within 100 kilometers of borders, 50 kilometers of coastlines, and the entire Baja. The bank holds legal title while you maintain complete ownership rights and control. Setting up a fideicomiso requires a valid passport, proof of address, proof of funds, and setup fees of around $2,000 to $4,000 USD. You'll pay annual trust fees of $500 to $800 USD. The trust renews every 50 years. The process begins by selecting an authorized Mexican bank as the trustee. After completing the due diligence, your notario handles permits through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and completes required paperwork for you. As primary beneficiary, you control all aspects of property ownership. You can live in, renovate, rent, sell, or transfer the property to your secondary beneficiaries. The bank serves only as a trustee while you retain all rights and income. Mexican courts consistently protect fideicomiso rights, and U.S. title companies recognize these trusts for financing. Partnering with a company like Mexico Life Realty streamlines the entire process. Their network of trusted attorneys, notaries, and banks ensures a seamless, turnkey experience. Click subscribe to join Mexico Real Estate 101. You'll get expert guidance on navigating all things Mexico real estate. Thank you for watching.